Hello everyone, welcome back with a new video, and today's topic for the discussion is types of plans. It's a topic from chapter 4, 12th Business Studies. Let's have a look on different kinds of plans. There are many or various kinds of plans which need to be made or which need to be formulated by the managers or by the experts. We'll start from the first point. First one is policies. Policies are the general guidelines. I repeat, policies are the general guidelines which helps managers in decision making, which helps managers in the smooth functioning of an organization. For example, credit sale in a particular year is a decision taken by the management that they will offer credit sales to the customer. Earlier it was not offered, but in this year one policy is formulated by the management that they will offer credit sales to the customer. So this is an example of policy. These decisions are taken under planning. So it's a kind of plan, right? Next one is objectives. Objectives are the end points or the goals which an organization wants to achieve. I repeat, objectives are the end points or goals or targets which management wants to achieve. For example, increase in sales by 15% in a particular year. Increase in sales by 15% in a particular year. Objectives are laid down like in time bound form. Like this objective is laid down by the management for 1 year. So always the time duration will be determined to achieve the objective. Fine. Next is procedure. Procedure means a series of steps. What does it mean? A series of steps. Means what are the steps will be followed, it will be decided under planning process. The procedure can be, suppose, for example, admission process in a school, admission process in a college, that step by step these would be the number of formalities to get admission in a school or college. This would be an example of procedure, right? Next is strategy. Strategy is a kind of comprehensive plan. It is a kind of comprehensive plan, and strategies are formulated by keeping in mind the competitor point of view. I repeat, strategies are formulated by keeping in mind the competitor point of view. Means first it is interpreted what competitors are doing, then planning is done under strategy. It is done to get first mover advantage. Strategies are formulated to get first mover advantage or to beat the competitors who are available in the market. Fine. Next is method. Method means, or under method, a best way is chosen or a best way is selected out of all the alternatives available. Out of all the alternatives available. For example, depreciation method. There can be two methods of charging the depreciation, like written down value method or straight line method. Now it depends upon the management which one they will adopt in a particular year. So when a particular way, method will be selected out of the options available, then we will say yes, it's a kind of plan which is named as method. Now the next one is rule. Rules are the rigid statements. Rules are the rigid statements, and there is a provision of penalty in case of rules are violated. Suppose no smoking is a rule in a factory. It is written there on the notice board that no smoking zone. And now if somebody found in engaging, or you can say somebody found smoking there, then the action can be taken. penalty can be there, fine can be imposed. So rules are rigid in the nature. Once rules are formulated, everyone should abide by all the rules and regulations. So management will decide that what kind of rules they will follow in an organization. Next is budget. Budget is a kind of numerical statement. It is expressed in the form of revenue and expenditure for a particular year. It's a quantitative statement or numerical statement in which the revenue and expenditure is determined or is estimated. For example, sales budget, right? Cash budget, master budget can be there. Master budget includes all the other budgets. Fine. So budget is also a kind of plan. Next is program. Program is the combination of all the above terms. I repeat, program is a combination of all the above terms. It is a very wide term. Program includes policies, objectives, procedure, strategy, method, rule and budget, all the terms. For example, training program. Management is planning to conduct a ट्रेनिंग सेशन. तो उस ट्रेनिंग सेशन के लिए ऑब्जेक्टिव हो सकता है जस्ट टू प्रोवाइड और टू अपग्रेड द स्किल्स ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज, टू टीच देम अ पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर, ये एक ऑब्जेक्टिव हो सकता है. देन देयर वुड बी प्रोसीजर कि कितनी वर्कशॉप्स होंगी, नंबर ऑफ वर्कशॉप्स विल बी डिटरमाइंड, राइट. अ पर्टिकुलर मेथड कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग द ट्रेनिंग. देयर कैन बी रूल्स फॉर द ट्रेनिंग सेशन. Like participants can enter with iCard only. This can be a rule. So in short, we can say that program is a combination of all the above terms. Right? This is all about different kind of plans.